Welcome to DHS Informatics. In this video, we are going to see about paper publication guidelines. It will be suitable for PhD works, MTech students and BE students. We can call it as an paper publication as well as we can call it as an research paper publication. Actually, nowadays all the universities making it is a compulsory for the BE, MTech students paper publication. And a PhD is must for very long. When you are doing a PhD work means you have to publish the paper. Now in this video we can look at what is paper publication, how many types of paper publications are available. We can see that the definition for paper publication. The paper publication refers to the process of disseminating an academic or research paper to a wider audience by making it available in various formats such as journal, conference proceedings or book chapters. You can able to publish your ideas or work you done in journals or conference, or you can publish in some booklets also. The main goal of this paper publication is to go and reach wide variety of people in particular community. Maybe we all are related with the scientific community. Maybe there is some other papers will be there, maybe related to related committee will be there. Maybe newspapers are widely belongs to political committee. Like that many committees are there. Maybe movies, they will have separate journals and magazines will be there like that. Now in the scientific journal classification comes under journal publication and a conference publication. What is journal publication? What is conference publication? We look at. Journal is nothing but it is one type of magazine. They are some organization every month they will publish their journal. Some organization yearly 2 times, some organization yearly 1 time only they publish the journal. A journal is a scholarly pre-reviewed, meaning that articles are evaluated by experts in the publication containing articles written by the researchers, professors and other experts. Journal focus on the specific discipline or field of study. Suppose you are doing one research on machine learning or deep learning, you have to publish in the particular journal only. The journal which is supporting the machine learning, deep learning only you can able to publish. You can't publish in the networking journal. So that you have to select that and you have to publish in the particular journal. Whatever content you are uploading, there will be some expert will be there. They verify your content. After they are approving only, it will get published. Journal publications are typically pre-reviewed, meaning that articles are evaluated by the experts in the field before being accepted for the publication. Conference publication. In journal publication, you can upload the paper, automatically it will get published. But conference is not like that. It is an event. In particular day, one event will be happening. You have to go and present your paper in front of the audience in oral representation or poster session or round table discussion. You have to tell your ideas or what you research, what you did, you have the experiment result, you have to go and share them. So that conference will be usually happening in the various places. Majority of the colleges will also conducting the conference yearly once. The college people will have the type with an IEEE, Springer, elsewhere. They will come to your college, they will conduct the conference. What is the difference between journal and conference? Means conference you have to go and present in front of the audience. Whereas the journal you can write and you can publish. But conference will have the certain limitation. You can able to publish limited number of paper only. You can't able to publish 10 pages, 20 pages like that. Whereas it is possible in journal. In journal, there are two types of journals are there. Standard journal, UGC approved journals. What is meant by standard journals? Standard journals is a highly reputed and recognized publication, is a specific field of study. Okay, there are many organizations, they will tell I am specifically on the networking side, I am specifically I am doing on cloud computing, blockchain, like that they will have the some specific field. So that we can able to publish on the standard journals. UGC approved journals are, it is approved by the University Grant Commission. University Grant Commission, you are aware of the thing, it is a government body, it is approved. In that journals are called UGC approved journal. UGC journals are little bit have more standard than more standard, and it is also tough to publish in a UGC journals. In UGC journal there are two types: UGC Care List Group 1, UGC Care List Group 2. In UGC Care List Group 1 journal found qualified through UGC Care protocol. They will have certain protocol, it will be satisfied, then they will call it as a Care 1 list. Care 2 are international level, COFAS indexed. COFAS indexed journals means it is all over the world, it is more standard and it is difficult to publish in this type of journals. The Care 2 journals we can able to tell it is a COFAS index, it is a globally recognized. For BE students and MTech students, it is not necessary. You have to publish in a COFAS index journal. But you can publish your paper in a COFAS indexed conference. Journal tough. But conference will happening in some IEEE will conduct the conference. That is a COFAS indexed only. But conference you can publish. But journal, it is a, I am not telling it is impossible, but it is a tough task. You have to do lot of research. Minimum you have to do on 10 to 15 pages, then only you can able to publish. COFAS index journals refer to an academic journal that includes in the COFAS database. What is COFAS database? COFAS database is nothing but it is a very standard database and it will be reputed throughout the world. Being indexed in the COFAS is seen as a sign of academic excellence, and publication in the COFAS index journal is often considered as a measure of the quality and the impact of the research work. You are doing PhD, at least 1 or 2 paper you have to publish in a COFAS index journal, then only you will get the PhD work. For BE and MTech it is not necessary. You can either publish in a UGC journal or standard journal you publish also, it is enough. Hope this video will be useful to you. We will assist you in paper publishing. Feel free to contact us 98451 We will give you the very less cost publication support we can able to give to you. Thanks for listening. Thank you once again.